Well, that sounds expensive.
Okay, so I could pay you $700 to fix the alternator, or I have a killer chocolate chip cookie recipe.
How's the gas tank always empty?
Crunchy edges, gooey middle. Hello?
Listen, I can't afford to put gas in you today, but we need to get to work. So like 6 miles, 6.5 tops.
Yeah, we actually rotate our own tires. Saves us a ton of money. Rotating with the neighbor's tires next door. Am I right?
I know you can do this, and also you have to, so good talk.
Yeah, we won't be able to afford a new car for a long time, so we're just trying to coast on this one as long as... Yeah, okay, sure.
Gas in the middle of the highway.
Hey, free car wash.
Woohoo! Yeah, get clean.
Oh,
I love a good free car wash.
okay. Come on. Come on.
Think you can make it through one more day or like 6 more years?
Okay, all right. Please, 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 please.
Jeez. Yeah, money's pretty tight right now, so.
Make this the year you don't duct tape your headlights. Try You Need a Budget free for 34 days.